Alright, so for my website, I chose to do a donation to kids with chemo. I called it Chemo Care. Here's my logo up here. Chemo Care aims to better lives and bring joy to everyone. So if we go down to who are we, it just kind of gives an overview of the nonprofit and kind of what they do and what donating will do to help. Where does my money go? It points out 3 specific things that when you donate, your money goes to. That way, it kind of gives clarification and people aren't left wondering what they're actually donating to give the children. They know exactly what they're giving when they give it. Our impact. So we want to show people that we actually impact places that are real. We don't want it to be a mystery where your money is going. And we want to show the big reach that we have had. So there's just this map down here with the little dots of the hospitals that we have sent our donations to. And we also give a goal, a measurable goal that we can obtain, and people can see what step they are in that goal. And then we also have this donate button, and that will take you to a place that you can donate. But yeah, so I really just wanted it to be a calming page with like a call to action that people felt emotionally towards so that they could feel comfortable donating. And my target audience was kind of those middle-aged, middle-class families who are wealthy enough that they can give. And they also have the emotional attachment to it. So that is what my website is on. And I hope you enjoy it.